Here's my ticket to go to China. Here's our ticket to go to China for the Olympic Games. The doors are not closing. Please, everyone, take your seats. And put your bags under your chair. Please sit down. And all children under 7 years old can sit in your lap. But if it's 8 and older, then you have to be on the side. We are now in London. Please go to the exit. Thank you very much. We are now entering China. Please, if you're going to the Olympic Games, please grab your bag and head to the exit. The perfect thing. Enjoy and good luck for the Olympic Games. Thank you. We're swimmers. Beep beep. We are in gymnastics. Beep beep. No, what we need to use those.
Oh, you need these.
First up, swimming. First up is Nellie O'Malley. On your marks. Get set. Go.
Hmm.
3.7 seconds. Ah! Next up is Kate O'Kissane. On your marks. Get set. Go! 1.3 seconds. And last but not least, Samantha. On your marks. Get set. Go! 10.65 seconds. Now, gymnastics. First up on gymnastics is Kitty. Kitty. Ah! Get ready. Get set. Go! Ow! Okay, that thing is done because Katie has she twisted her ankle on the bars. So now is Caroline on the bars. Yeah. No, tumbling. Tumbling. And on the bars. Ready. Get set. Go! Anyways, Kitty, she finished her routine. Her score is 16.8. Caroline's score is 16.10. Next is Hannah.
I know.
Ready? Get set, go. Hers is Hannah gets 10.0. Oh, 16.0. Next up is Anna. Get ready, get set, go. .4.
Yay.
Yes. Now is Jennifer. Get ready, get set, go. Jennifer's score is 0.1. Next is Brooke. Ready, get set, go. Alright, Brooke. Nice job. 15.8. Now, not the last one is Shay.
Okay.
Shay, take your mark, get that, go! Shay got 16.0. Now, for the medal ceremony for swimming.
You guys need to fast.
Natalie gets silver, Samantha gets bronze, and he gets gold. Woo! Now for the gymnastics ceremony. Ice packet.
Hurry up.
Okay. Kitty gets silver, Caroline gets gold, and Shay gets bronze. Enjoy the rest of the Olympics.
Yay! Is that it?
No, there's one more thing.
Okay, hurry up, you guys. I don't know what. Oh.
Hurry.
Yay!